Stop scrolling. Got the hiccups again? Super annoying, right? But do you know why they happen and how to stop them? Let's dive in. Hiccups happen because your diaphragm, that's the muscle below your lung, suddenly spasms. It's like your body saying, whoa, something's off. This spasm sucks in air, slams your vocal cords shut, and creates that classic hic sound. The triggers, eating too fast, fizzy drinks, stress, or even excitement can mess with your diaphragm. Now, how do you stop them? Try holding your breath for a few seconds, sipping ice cold water, or even swallowing a spoonful of sugar. These tricks help reset your diaphragm and calm it down. Problem solved. Next time you get the hiccups, you'll know exactly what's happening and how to fix it.